Dada, Andheri station.
Marwal underground metro station.
Okay, so what these guys don't know is, I think I have the advantage. Being on a two-wheeler in Bombay is just a boon because everything is in your control. From your pace, traffic, you can just ride through most of the standstill traffic at least. And yeah, I think it's a lot better than the other modes of transportation that these guys are resorting to because I am going to win. I am going to take this long-termer home.
First of all, a very happy new year and a big thank you to Rohit for the breakfast, but I think that breakfast is going to be digested with this activity. On the highway, it's showing around a 6 to 8 minute traffic delay with slow moving traffic, which is obvious because this is peak hours. And I took this somewhat of a detour and I came out from behind the airport, which was a smoother exit than the usual one. So I hope I am at least like 5 minutes ahead of the others. We'll find out at the end of the line. It says 18 minutes to get to Andheri. The only secret weapon I have that's going for me is the quickest thing to travel in Bombay, which is the Mumbai local. I genuinely hope I make it because I really want to win that long-termer. It seems exciting. Now we're also going to see how much it costs me to get from, well, our location to the station. We'll also figure it out. Kaka काय म्हणता एकदम मजेत? Happy New Year. Kaka is not interested.
कितना दूर है अभी? 2 मिनट लगेगा। अच्छा यही है? I'm really excited to be taking the underground metro station because the Marol one, this is the Aqualine 3, and it has just recently opened up and it's India's longest underground metro. So I genuinely think that I'm going to win this race. He's saying it's going to take 2 minutes to get to the metro station. So let's see, there's a little bit of traffic. I think Kunal is going to get more traffic, Anijit and I don't know about Chris, he's on a scooter, but it's going to take a long time for them to get in.
After making a break for it from the coffee shop, I'd have to wriggle my way through the Andheri Ghatkopar road, which is seriously messed up with office traffic at this time of the day. Only to then make my way through to the Western Express Highway, which I'd like to think would be the worst stretch as far as traffic is concerned, all the way up till the Mahim turnoff at least. And with Google Map indicating that it will take about an hour and a half to reach my destination from start to finish, I had no time to spare. And if I had any hope of winning this race, I'd have to somehow make my way past these two patches covering about 11.5 kilometers pretty quickly if I were to at least make it across the finish line ahead of Anijit in his car, at the least.
So now I've gone through that traffic snarl phase. The map is now turned to orange. It's showing 33 minutes. The best part of having an EV and a hatchback especially is, of course, going through traffic, tight spaces. It's easy to move in, and this Tiago EV works pretty fine and helps you to, zip through that traffic. But now I am just about to get on the C-Link. Here we are on the C-Link. Now we have to cross the toll. काफी रेस अगेंस्ट टाइम हो रहा है. My train might be the fastest alternative. The worst alternative to travel to that train is taking the road. And say you're 15-20 minutes away from the station, then that whole route is going to take you upwards of 30 minutes. Another thing, smart thing that I'm doing is already booking my ticket so that I don't have to wait any of them.
God, I'm so slow and forgetful. I was so excited to take the metro that I forgot to download the app. I'm downloaded the Mumbai one. It's not been too long. Booked my ticket. Now let's just go. This is really weird. I have, as you can see, my ticket, but it just doesn't seem to be working. Let me try another one. Okay, doesn't seem to be working. I'll need to ask someone for help. Ma'am, नेटवर्क की वजह से हुआ, नेटवर्क पे थोड़ा जाइए ना, हो जाएगा, थोड़ा आगे जाइए। भैया इधर नेटवर्क किधर मिलेगा? बाहर? Network has come here, network is not coming there. I hope it works again. Now how do I have to go through security? फिर से? Okay, हो गया.
Now I must admit I got lucky going from Mahim to Worli through Dadar via Cadell Road, where it suddenly felt like I made up a good amount of time on this run. There was a fair bit of traffic en route here too, but thankfully I know which lane I have to be in to make good time out on the road, so I made the most of it.
So the best thing is you can directly get on the coastal road from the Sea Link.
दादा
जल्दी बोल जल्दी बोल.
किधर पहुंचे दादा? दादा किधर पहुंचे?
मैं Sea Link पे हूँ अभी. रोक. Now the coastal road, this stretch of it was opened in March 24. This is like a 10 and a half kilometer to max 11 kilometer stretch, which begins from the beginning of Marine Drive at Marine Lines and ends at the Worli junction where the Sea Link ends. The best thing is, even though on the map, if you put the location from where I was at Andheri to Taj Kulaba, it also shows an alternative route via Mahim and Dadar, which is 5 kilometers less, so 25 kilometers. But this is around 30 kilometers, but that is an added 25 to 30 minute extra. So even though you're pushing in 5 kilometers more, you're reaching at least half an hour early. That is something amazing about the coastal road.
So who sprints to the finish line first? Who is crowned the next champion and winner of the exclusive long-termer? Let's find out after this very short break.
I don't know if you can hear this, but I'm almost out of breath. Very unfit I am. The Mumbai local takes about 60 to 75 lakh people to their respective places every day. Now, the morning sun's a little harsh and so is the commute. But if you think about it, that's the cheapest way to travel in the city and probably in the country as well, because I don't think any other state has a better connectivity. It's crazy.
रुक जा, नहीं तू बाजू हो जा. अरे चल ना. अरे करो ना पहले.
Well, I boarded the 10:10 train and I lost out on 20 minutes because I was, sloppy in booking my tickets, and also the internet fiasco that you saw. I didn't have internet when I went in to try and enter the metro station. But once I got into the metro station, I know that I have 22 stops till my destination, which is Vidhan Bhavan. And it would take me around 50 minutes. So as you can see, it's peak rush hour and still I've got space to sit. So, I can't complain about anything. I'm quite comfortable. I'm sitting in AC. What else could I want?
The most relaxed stretch of road on this ride, at least this time around, had to be the 4-kilometer run from Chowpatty Beach to Churchgate via Marine Drive, where I got to take a breather out on the road running along the coast for most part. Sad that it lasted just 5 minutes though. With all the ethanol mixes and crazy fuel prices currently in Bombay, well, with this electric scooter, I'm effectively spending less than ₹1 per kilometer, so it's way easier on my pocket as well. Just that I have to plan my moves a little more in advance, I guess, because of the range.
Also, another thing, having this EV makes it cheap as well, because I started with an 80% and I am down to just 72%. So I think it's economical as well. there. I am 2 minutes away from my long termer. I'm winning. Whoop whoop.
I think we're going to get late because of the signal. I don't think we're going to reach in time. 16 minutes late. When you leave Andheri, the only thing is you have to only take 8 stations out of the 16 if you're taking a fast train. So that's saving grace. But I don't think we're winning this one. So it's very unfortunate. I think Chris might have reached. Sohini's definitely reached. Anirjeet might be third, and I think I'm going to be last. So yeah, that's very sad for me. But Rohit, if you're listening, I'll take a bike over a car any day.
Well, I'm on Airtel and I don't seem to have any network here. Vodafone seems to have network in patches. I would have loved to call the guys to find out where they are. I have absolutely no clue. I just hope I'm winning. There's a lot of time. I don't know what else to do. I've not downloaded anything on my phone and I don't really play games on my phone as well. I think I'll just catch up on some sleep.
On the home stretch, should be victorious. Exclusive long-termer in the bag.
सर दो मिनट सर.
Oh no, Chris is here. Why?
Who's coming first?
Well, you want to here?
I'm waiting for you. Actually, the winner.
Oh yeah, the winner. Chalo, where's my keys?
Wow! How did you reach fast?
You're late.
Shit.
Who's coming
He's
next?
gonna win. In a four-wheeler in Bombay.
Parking, dude.
Yeah, sure. Parking it was.
I swear.
Where are these two? Public transport.
1 hour 14 minutes now to reach here. Gateway of India चलेंगे? And rejection?
सर हमारा शेयरिंग में.
सर जी Gateway of India चलेंगे? Thank you.
One small observation, since this is the Aqualine 3 metro and it goes to the airport as well, I don't see any overhead storage compartments, which is quite a miss, I think. Our stop. Let's take Oval Maidan. I would say it's quite convenient, at least there seem to be escalators everywhere, so I'm not feeling that I'm walking too much. Actually, I didn't end up walking too much. I don't seem to have found an elevator. If there was an elevator, it would have been a little easier to have come up. Oh, there is an elevator right here, but I missed it in my rush to try and figure out where I have to get out from. Here, one more. भैया मुझे वो ताज कोलाबा के वहाँ पे जाना है.
No chance we are going to make it. It's too late. You gave second. He's supposed to be the man with the balloon.
Yeah.
Chris, I think I found your exclusive. Look. Right there. Right there.
कितना टाइम लगेगा भैया यहाँ से?
अरे 10 मिनट अंदर.
10 मिनट. ट्रैफिक नहीं है अभी?
यहाँ ट्रैफिक नहीं मिलेगा, वहाँ पुलावा में थोड़ा सिग्नल मिलेगा ना.
अच्छा सिर्फ सिग्नल. हाँ 10 मिनट ना?
10 मिनट अंदर ही पहुँचोगे.
I really hope that we're the first ones. I'm not really sure right now, but let me call up and check where the others are. Hi Kunal, where have you guys reached? I have reached. No. You have reached? You're the first one? No, I am not. You're not the first one? Who? Anijit? Am I the last person? Oh my god, I can't believe it. Yeah, I really thought I would be the first one. This is extremely disappointing. To find out the total travel cost and the fastest route and mode of transport to South Mumbai from Andheri in peak rush hour, come right back to Overdrive after this final break. This is really shocking. How the hell did you guys reach before me? Ashish, what are you doing here?
I got the car.
You got the car?
Where's the car?
How did you get the car?
How did you get the car in the
You
bag?
don't know how to drive.
Yeah, but still I have car.
All right, keys.
You got keys? Nice.
Happy New Year and congratulations. This is your
Happy New Year, Happy New Year. We're off to a flyer. Are you kidding me?
What?
Varangar Center exclusive. So much
good.
I'm just so happy
It doesn't look like a
I
key.
have never been happy.
I don't want it. I don't want it.
This doesn't look like a key to me.
It's the key to sadness.
Call this hello right now.
Hi Kranti.
Yeah, hi Rohit.
The fastest way to get from Andheri to Kolaba, it's a motorcycle.
Bike. I knew that.
But why did you want to know?
Oh, bus ऐसे ही, just like that.
Amazing.
I can't believe it either. I was expecting something in that parking lot, but hey, I'll take it.
So what's the time difference between you guys?
1 hour and 8 minutes.
1 hour 8 minutes.
2 minutes. I lost for 2 minutes.
And then
2 minutes.
1 hour 23
Why?
minutes.
Hey, shorter route.
1 hour 23 minutes. How much time did it take me to get here after you guys?
I think about 30 minutes.
No.
Yeah.
We were
Yeah,
here
yeah.
for quite
Yeah.
some time. We planned on going
As
and
I
getting.
said, guys, I
We are
was
gonna take a
only
break for
late
lunch.
because I was downloading the app. And
I have a point here. Why didn't you just buy a ticket off the counter?
Oh, that's because you don't get internet. Like I didn't have cash on me, and if I had to go through UPI, there's no internet.
But there is Wi-Fi
That's
inside
the
metro
problem.
stations.
Yeah, I got to know
Third
that
world
only
problems.
once I got to my final destination without knowing. Nobody told me.
You
And I'm
sound-
expected to look.
you sound like you
I
could
was
use an
actually
electric
expecting
scooter.
her to reach fast.
But I'm really surprised, guys, because I genuinely thought I was closest to the metro station. It took me, it was 600 meters. It took me 26 rupees. Then took me around 50 minutes. I wasted a little bit of time because I didn't have the app. So I had to download the app, install it. Then I had to quickly, buy my ticket, which was 70 bucks. And then I ran to the, metro. Problem was I didn't have internet. So when I was scanning, the woman told me, go out. You'll get the internet again. By the time I came back, the internet had gone again.
Third world problems, so
No, considering this is supposed to be a world-class metro, is what Mumbaikars say.
Huh.
70 bucks I paid. I slept and came, guys, thinking I am winning. Y'all are getting, a lot of traffic and everything. Then I took a cab. My cabbie said, "हाँ, jaldi पहुंच जाएंगे." And when I came, you guys have given me this bad news. How did you reach here before everyone?
The brilliance of a two-wheeler in Bombay. Electric, all the way. And yeah, just squeezing past traffic. Convenience, form factor, I just love the River Indy. It's just brilliant in my opinion. Good amount of range, it'll get me home in one piece. Even though I was not exactly riding economical on my way here because, had to get my hands on this one. But yeah, comfort-wise, everything, it was just phenomenal. And yeah, max 30 bucks to get here. With this electric, it cost me less than 1 rupee per kilometer. So considering 29 kilometers from Andheri to Colaba, 30 bucks, 30 bucks
30
max.
bucks max.
So I spent
That's damn
And
cheap.
fastest route.
So I got a little bit of traffic in Andheri, then little bit of traffic the moment I got on to Bandra, and it was smooth.
Nice.
So I just spent like 9% on the Tiago EV.
Yeah.
First thing, hatchback, easy to drive. EV, I zipped around very fast. So 9% if I'm calculating what? Around 50 bucks max?
Yeah. Give or
On a
take.
car?
Cheaper.
That's cheaper than what I spent. I had to change 3 separate modes of transport. Technically 2, but 3 rickshaw.
So did
train.
I walked also.
See now, it's new for you. It's not new for me. Okay, so rickshaw, then train, then taxi together. It cost me around 130-ish rupees. 40
And I paid
rupees.
6 rupees more. Came in comfort, and now please, Chris, drop me home. I hope you have enough charge. Please, let's go.
You'll drop me home.
Yeah, chal, cool.
Chalo,
Okay, let's go.
Chalo, bye
Hey
guys.
guys, what about me? मेरे को कौन drop करेगा? Who will drop me?